Hello and welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about the comparison operators, which are also called relational operators in the Go language. In generally we call them comparison operators anyway. So what are the comparison operators? We actually make a condition by comparing two operands or two different kind of data. We can even use the text, we can use the numbers. Mainly it works with the arithmetical numbers, or you can say the integers or floating numbers. Let's just do this by here. And because of the comparison operators, or you can say the relational operators according to the Go language, we actually learned the if and else program because of this. So let me just do some of it. First of all, we're getting this notifications. I'm gonna cancel all them. Okay, so here in this way I'm going here. Okay, and that again, come back here. I'm going just here. Okay, so here first of all I'm adding a condition. So what condition I'm just adding here can be like 6. Okay, now there are many different relational operators. We are calling them relational operators specifically because we are talking about the Go language mainly here. So the 6 equals to 6. Now interesting thing is this is not an equal sign or equal. Actually this is an equal sign, but this is not the equal operator in any programming language, or specifically the Go language anyway. Okay, this is called the assigning operator spelling. Okay, let me just go here, right? And this is an equal to operator. Interesting. Now if you say 6 equal to 6 or 5, now we are actually assigning 5 to 6, but we cannot do this because the 6 is a number, it's not a variable. So we use the assigning operator or the equal sign to assign data to the variables, like var1 equal to 6, and now here var, or just calling var1 and equal to 9. Now we are modifying the value, just delete that. Okay, awesome. Now we are just modifying the value. The var1 was 6 and now here we just assigned the value of 9. Okay, but if we just go here in this way, so now we are not assigning, we are asking if these are equal to each other, and ultimately we are actually gonna get the answer as false because the var1 is not equal to 10. And how we can actually test this thing? We just need to go here. Oh, actually we need to go there. I'm deleting these things, or at least these things, and I'm just going here, just cutting that and pasting it a little higher so it won't move. And here, if 6 is equal to 6, then fmt.println, and here inside that I'm writing something like hello, or something like the statement is okay. Save it. Now just go here and run this up and just test if it's fine. Okay, we're getting this statement is okay. That's cool. Now what if we do something different, like if I just go here and I type 6 is equal to 8? Oh, that's not true at all. So what the answer we're gonna get here, it should be inside the statement is I'm typing okay again anyway, but here just notice, okay, we're getting this statement is okay one time, or just to differentiate them, 1, and here I'm writing 2. Now go there back, just run this up, and now you're gonna see that the statement is okay 1, only what 1 is printed here, the 2 is still there. That means it's not printed because it is wrong. Okay, so what do we do in this case? I need to go here and I need to write again something like that, but for now I'm gonna change the operator. If I want to put the wrong value, by intention I want to add the wrong value, like this one and this one. Okay, 6 is not equal to 9, but I want it to be true. That means I want this statement to be true, so I need to change the operator. Okay, I'm changing it to the not equal to. Okay, this is exclamatory sign and the equal sign makes the not equal to operator. Literally, if I just go here and let me add it in a list, this is not equal to operator. Okay, awesome. Let me just go here and go inside and fmt.println, and here I'm writing the statement is okay, and it's number 3. Just go there back and test this up, and now here you can see that the statement is okay 1, this statement is okay 3, but this statement is okay is 2 is still not okay. So what is the meaning actually? This operator means not equal to. So ultimately this whole condition, this whole condition is true because we're telling if just start reading from here. According to the operator, we're telling us that if 6 is not equal to 9, then print this. Okay, so because 6 is not equal to 9, so according to this operator not equal to, the statement is true. So to get this block, we need to get the statement must be true. We will discuss about the if and else statements, specifically the if statement later, so no problem. We are actually talking about the operators by now. So I hope you just got cleared the concept of the not equal to. So in the same way, we are just going to learn some other comparison or the relational operators in the Go language. So here I'm asking if the 6 is less than, this is the less than sign. Okay, we're asking if the 6 is less than 7. Okay, so just go here and I'm writing fmt.println and just go inside the statement 4 is okay. Okay, let's just test this out. I'm just going here and let's just run it, and now you can see that the statement is okay 1, the statement is okay 3, the statement 4 is okay, but still the 2 is not okay. But what if we I'm just doing a wrong thing by now. Here the 6 is, or if I type the 7 is less than 6. Now what gonna happen here? The print ln, and I'm going inside the statement 5 is okay, and save it again, and just going here and just running this up again, and now you can see that the statement 4 is okay, but still you're not getting the statement 5 is okay. Okay, because the 7 is not less than 6. So in this case we need to use the greater than sign. So I'm just going to use the greater than sign. Okay, now the greater than sign means the closed mouth, the open mouth is on the left side, and the closed mouth is on the right side. It is a greater than sign. So now 7 is greater than the 6. So now it should work. If I just go here and if I just try to run this up, and now you're gonna see that the statement 5 is okay. Okay, now one more very basic logic. If you maybe you can forget this thing, that which is the less than and the greater than sign, but it is very easy. Where you see 2 points, that value, if that value is big, then the statement must be true. Just focus here. Okay, the 2 points of this array, this arrow, you see the 2 points, which is actually the open mouth. The open mouth is on a 7. If the open mouth is where the value is bigger, then a statement is true. And see here, the same thing, 7 is on a left side. Now here it was on a right side, but the open mouth is on a left side too. Okay, so this statement is true. So I think this is now cool. Now if I just do one more thing right here, if what if I write something like 7 greater than 7? Oh, that's tricky. Let's just see what the answer we're gonna get. Print ln, and inside that I'm writing the statement 6 is okay. Save it. Now I need to go here and just check if it's fine. Okay, we're not getting the statement 6. Now let's just try to make it the greater than sign instead of the less than sign. Save it. Now now we've used the greater than sign, so I'm going there back, and now I'm running it, and now it's still we're not gonna get the statement 6 is okay, because it's not okay in both cases. So what is the solution? They're not greater than each other, they're not less than each other, they're equal to each other. So you can use this sign. Okay, this sign. Okay, what's the meaning of this? It is telling that if the 7 is greater than or equal to 7, here we are adding 2 kind of values. If 7 is greater than or equal to 7, I think it's pretty simple. Just go here, it's absolutely equal to 7, so we're gonna get the statement 6 is okay. And in the same direction, if I just go here and I write if I'm just going here, I'm writing 6. Now I'm using the less than sign. If 6 is less than, here we talked about the greater than or equal to. Here we're telling if 6 is less than or equal to 7, here are still a few things you need to know. I'm gonna talk about them too. Statement 7 is okay. Save it. Now I need to go here, I need to run that up. Now the statement 7 is okay because the 6 is less than or equal to 6, but the 6 is less than or equal to what? Equal to 6. But what if I just go here and make something new? Let me just write it. 6 is less than or equal to 8. Oh, this is now tricky again. Print ln, and I'm writing here sorry spelling. Statement 8 is okay. Save it. Now I need to go here and run this up. Go run in Xcode. Okay, the statement 8 is okay. Okay, now because the 6 is less than 8, okay, it's not equal to. Now we have 2 kind of conditions here, because it's supposedly one operator which actually pose 2 kind of conditions. And we have to be true in either one condition. So here you can see that the 6 is not equal to 8, but 6 is less than 8. What if I just use the greater than sign? Now if I just go here and I run this, and now I'm not gonna get the 8 is okay anymore, because the 7 is okay is the last one, because the 6 is not greater than 8, ultimately it's less than 8, and 6 is even not equal to 8. So in both conditions, this condition is false according to this operator, which is greater than and equal to. So this is why this block of code is not working. So I think now you're understanding all of the logic of these interesting blocks, the comparison, or the relational operators in the Go language. So in the next video, we're going to talk about some logical operators. They are very interesting. You must know them. But before learning the logical operators, you must need to completely understand the comparison, or actually the relational operators in the Go language. Actually, because of I work on many programming languages, so I normally call the relational operators as the comparison operators because it's a general name. Anyway, in the next video, we'll meet again.